guys, welcome to Gulshan Central Park, which is still under construction. As you can see, we have a fencing outside, and surprisingly the fencing this time in this park is quite low compared to other parks. So when you're driving on the street, you can actually look through the park all the way to the other side of it, which is quite the concept is very new for Bangladesh, because generally we have much higher fencing. And to our right, this is a shopping complex which is under construction. It's called Ventura Mall. And then we have another shopping center very popular in Gulshan. It's called Pink City. So there's something very interesting when you're walking. There's a big gap, and sometimes your feet can get stuck between them. So I'm guessing there should be something. They should put something in between these slabs. There should be some lighting effects or something like that. And in front of me is Gulshan Avenue. You cannot see it because of the tin barricade, which will be taken off after the construction is complete. The lighting poles have already been installed, as you can see in front of me. Just like this walking track, they have, I think, 3 or 4 other walking tracks. I'll just hop onto the other one just to give you an idea. So there are a couple of tracks like this which you can walk on, and also they've planted some trees which are going to grow over time, so it's not going to be as open as it looks at the moment. So this is one track. The other one to the right is another track, and here they're doing another, and it goes around. So I'll just go around it. So it should be much more dense when the construction's done, with trees and plants. Also, there should be a lot of lighting and everything installed. And not only that, this park also has some concrete structures where I believe, like in the other parks that have been completed, they will have places like washroom, prayer room, cafes. Like to the right, as you can see, these structures will house some of these amenities, I suppose. And see, I just went around the walkway. It joins the other walkway that I took over there. And to my left, there's another. But this is very surprising. Like, look at these gaps. I wonder what they're going to do in these gaps. It looks very wide to walk around. I mean, a lot of people are going to trip here if you have these gaps. So I'm sure they're going to do something interesting here. There's actually something very fascinating about this structure. you'll notice when you get closer to it, you see there's a tree, and the tree has been given space to grow through the structure. So you see this tree is growing through the building structure uninterrupted. So it's a really nice touch to the park. And on the other side we have a football field, a swimming pool area for Gulshan. And what I like about this place is that you see one of these walkways, most likely they're gonna have stones here. They can fill it up with stones. So some architectural touch to it. As you can see here there's a gap, but here they filled it up with soil. So there's not going to be any gap. I see. Okay, so this is the update for Gulshan Central Park at the moment. There's some land elevation work going on here, so there's going to be some landscaping going on with a lot of lighting. We have plenty of new parks coming up in the tri-state area, and we have one which is complete, almost completed, Justice Shahabuddin Park, and there's another one which I saw, which is a small one, but still completed. And this is going to be the third one. So we have 6 to 7 parks that are under construction at the moment. And they all look pretty modern. And I'm really looking forward to jogging around in this track. They should also have a bicycling track here. I'm not sure which one, but we'll find out once it's completed. Alright guys, so just wanted to give you an update of Gulshan Central Park, as this is going to be the most convenient for people who want to just come to a park from the Gulshan Avenue main road. Alright, so see you next time when the work finishes of this project. Alright, take care, bye bye.